welcome in. I am Mitch from the KAM Fam, and since we are not on a cruise, we're going to take you to the backyard and hit the grill. So take a look at these items. What do you think we're cooking up? And while you think about that, check out the KAM kids hanging out, and we're going to get this grill fired up.
Flip it up.
Hey, pretty girl.
Flame it high. Smoke is rising to the sky. Burger sizzle.
There's the KAM Fam and Scouts.
Grilling and chilling, we'll take it higher. Grilling and chilling all night long. Hot flames popping, we're feeling strong.
Alright guys, so we got the mushrooms, peppers and onions going, some chopped sweet potatoes. Here's the little serving area. And that right there is some finely sliced steak. With some Montreal steak seasoning. We're trying out some new seasoning.
Aldi's special.
Aldi's special butter garlic. So we're gonna let you know how that is. And of course, you can't go wrong with a little bit of avocado oil. Got our buns ready. We're gonna get all that stuff ready to go.
And our cheese.
And my beautiful wife, she chopped all this stuff up.
I did.
Good.
I did chop it up.
All right, KAM Fam, but we are going to hit this grill up and we'll let you see what the results look like. We're gonna let this cook and we'll be back shortly.
So we're laying down the finely shaved steak.
100% bone-free. Bone-free. Some seasoning on this meat.
Some more steak seasoning, but not too much. Kevin says it's spicy.
Hit it up with this little butter garlic. Hopefully that's pretty good. If not,
Can't go wrong with butter or garlic. It'll be great.
So Blackstone is definitely the way to go, guys. Comment down below if you have a Blackstone. What's your favorite thing to make on it? We enjoy lots of different things on ours. And this is a favorite.
Except for that pile of vegetables over there.
What about that pile of vegetables?
Some people don't like those. Not naming any names. It should just naturally fall apart as you cook it. Small chunks. Yes, never did we say this was healthy. So we were just talking about how old this Blackstone is. Mitch says we've had it for 5.5 years. No, this one's still working great.
Close the lid up, let it cook a little bit.
Oh, if you squirted out juice, that would be even better. Okay, the lid was only closed for about a minute. So you can already see the, oh my goodness, someone is not happy in there.
I want to just watch TV.
Not TV time. Oh, let's hear what you have to say. The KAM Fam is watching. You got something to say?
There's no napkins in the pantry, but McKenna can tell me there is.
There's plenty of napkins. Why don't you have McKenna show you? Back for you. Use a foil pan, or this one is a silicone pan. Sometimes it's a silicone pan lined with a foil pan to make cleanup easy. And it's time to empty it. As you can see, the pink is almost gone. And it's about time to marry these.
Here you go,
All right, here we are with the marriage between the two.
What is that cooking?
Dinner.
Pepper, you can use a little more peppers and onions, but we don't want to overkill it
Right, because
otherwise.
the kids pick it out, so it's really just for us.
Alright.
But leftovers with this are also delicious. Add some rice or some pasta.
So we're about to cheese it up, guys. Gotta go with some provolone.
Hiya! Hiya! No more school.
I'm having a barbecue, just me and a few good friends.
Alright, cheese is on.
Cheese is on.
Close the lid and let it cook a little bit.
Sure, if you can.
I'll put it here.
All right, so you can see the cheese is melting.
Mommy, please.
Putting the butter down to add some
There's
leftover hot dog buns we had.
around. Said I'm having a barbecue. Come on.
McKenna, can you bring the platter over so we...
Sit down.
We gon' laugh,
Directions.
we gon' dance with our red soul cups
Have a big old
in hand.
cheesy.
Talk about life, love, and romance while the world just spins around. Said I'm having a barbecue. Come on down.
Now, will there be leftovers? 100%.
Bring the whole
Will we repurpose them? 100%. And that's one less thing.
Mommy, take
Or
a
you'll...
picture of me like this.
No. Or you'll have to eat it for lunch. What were you going to say?
I was gonna say, or y'all can come here right now. So by the time you see this video,
I did it.
you've already ate this.
talk about life.
Alright, so I've made my sandwich. Just kidding, guys. Just kidding. No, so I'm gonna make mine a little bit. Show you Taryn's plate.
Yes, because I'll eat mine open faced.
Oh, with a
Because
fork.
it'll be a little messy.
Alright,
Because the
so
bun was already... But my sweet potatoes are delicious.
girls, what do we think?
It's pretty good. I mean, it's good, but I don't like the fact that she has ketchup on hers.
She can put whatever she wants on it. Guys, right here though, this is an outdoor must. If you don't know what this is, maybe I'll put a link in the description. On Amazon, these are like, what do they call these things? Fly killers? Fly fan. So while you're eating outside, it doesn't kill them, it keeps them away.
Yeah, keep them away so they don't like to enter your food.
Alright, so we're gonna enjoy this food and maybe we'll check back in to show you how big the stack is at the end. Bye guys. Alright guys, so we knocked out quite a bit of it, but there is quite a bit left over too. So we're gonna have another meal out of this, but it was delicious. So thank you for tuning in to check out Dinner with the KAM Fam, and don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. See y'all later.